Hey, what's up? Let's design a t-shirt using free tool called Canva. Just go to canva.com and type in over here t-shirt. And over here you can see the templates of your t-shirt. Scroll a bit down, click free and choose this for example, just to show you how to do it. To change the background, click on a background, make it white for example. And to change this icon, go to elements and type in, for example, tree, and go to graphics. Make sure to choose the graphic without this pro icon, so you can use it for free. Let's delete this one and use this one, move it to the middle. If it's over here, just go position and center and go like this, and change the font text and change the font, select the whole thing like this. This is just an example. So if you want to print your shirt, go up here, print shirts, for example man, and we want to be white so you can see the t-shirt and you can continue to order your shirt, or you can print it over here and go to the t-shirt printing business and print it over there.